Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can block or report a space in Google Chat and Gmail on mobile. So you can open the Google Chat apps or you can open the Gmail on your phone and you can go to space and select space that you want to block and report. So for example, click and then you can click the conversation name at the top, and at the bottom you can find the block space option. So just click on it to block. So to report, you can check the box to report this space as a spam or abuse. Just click block. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.